Hi everyone! Welcome to the Tech Miners. Today I'm gonna show you how to prank your friends, making them believe you run a Mac OS on your Windows system. Let's go on with the prank. Open up your browser and log on to this website, www.fakeupdate.net. Ensure you press F11 on your computer to enter full screen mode. Thereafter you will select the Mac operating system here. That is all. Once you get this done, relax and watch the reaction of your friend's face. Do comment in the comment section the experience you had with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Miners for more prank videos.